What's up YouTube, welcome to Auto 3 Garage, and on today's video I will be towing two cars on today. I towed the BMW, only got footage of the BMW, and I also towed a Crown Vic, but I didn't get the footage because it was super late. Stay towards the end of the video because we did have something tragically happen, but I would manage to get it fixed and back on the road. So guys, on this part I will be putting this BMW on this trailer right here. This trailer was built by a co-worker I know. He used to be in the Air Force. He now retired, but they built this at a base, and I'm telling you, this trailer is like the real deal, real steel. And I have been towing with this trailer. I towed the Porsche, I towed the Tahoe, now I towed two other cars. Like, this trailer has been amazing, no issues. The winch works miracle, and I can't really complain about this trailer. Hopefully one day I just go ahead and get me another trailer. I have been looking. Nice ramps, aluminum ramps right here. And then we got a winch and all that in here, so yeah. So guys, we are removing these ramps from our truck, and we're going to put it on the trailer, and we're going to roll the BMW up here. Now, I'm surprised these ramps was able to go under the car like it is right now smoothly, because usually when cars low and stuff, it's a pain, and we don't have no jack or anything else like block wise to help get the car out if it was like any lower. But y'all know how it is with like supercars and all that, especially like Lamborghinis. Just like cars that's just low, like y'all know the real deal, what you have to go through in order to get them up on a tote bed or a trailer. This car had a completely dead battery, so it wasn't able to turn on all the way, and we wasn't able to throw the car in neutral because you know, with this BMW, it's like everything is controlled electronically. My brother's on the ground. He trying to figure out where possibly the switch is at, but we took this whole like middle console and stuff out in order to find a strap or something that we can punch in to put it in neutral, but we didn't have no luck with that. So it was something under the car. We had to call the BMW place to ask for some guidance. But my brother went to search for a video. He couldn't find it. And I went to search for a video, and I ended up finding it. And I ended up pointing it out later on and all. But I just wanted my brother to learn this stuff. I mean, we both had learned. This thing had both stooped us. I'm not going to lie. But we both learned from it, and now we know what to do if this car ever go down again temporarily. But anyway, so I decided to drag this car up. The winch and all that started smoking, so I had to chill. But in order for us, well, the reason why I did is because we had to get underneath this car. Mind you, we don't have no jack or anything of that nature to lift this car up to get under this car properly. So we up under this trailer. I had a block underneath just in case, so we don't get, you know, compressed or anything of that nature. But we got under this car to figure this out. But now we figured it out. We ended up finding a screw that's under the transmission where you just screw it all the way up, and it got like a switch, and it just lift the lever up. Well, it's basically a lever, but it lift the lever up as you screw it in and put it in neutral, and we end up finding it and getting it. Alright guys, so we got it back to its designated area. Guys, I swear this never fails. I always in a auto parts parking lot fixing on my trucks. But that's what it comes with when you do aftermarket things and stuff. Anyway, when I went to tow the BMW, this is my first time trying it with this transmission, which is good that it effed up right now. But the seal on the backside just busted. Not too crazy, but it was leaking fluid all over the place. And I got one more car to tow, so I'm gonna get one more seal, tow this one car, and man, we are good. Hopefully I got all the right tools and stuff. But anyway, I gotta handle some other little business and stuff. But I still love this truck. It was pulling damn good and stuff and fine. But yeah, I'm on the side. Alright guys, so I got the drive shaft up back in, got everything nice and hooked up. We are good to go. Now I just gotta clean up my area, buy some fluid. What we do, I ain't gonna lie, mom, car came in clutch. Oh, yeah. She ain't forgetting her. Pumping blood in her system, man. $83 later just for these 2 little bottles, but hey, it's worth it.